So we're just going to get started with my Aqua watercolor brush, and I'm just grabbing a lemon yellow from the Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor set. And I'll have all of my materials linked down in the description box below. And we're just going to continue on with the hair here. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also please do hit the bell notification button so you are notified of all my videos. I am currently working on a watercolor series and lots of other art tutorials, so if art tutorials are your thing, please do hit subscribe to this channel. Please also hit the like button down below so I know that you like this content. And please leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next. So I am just using a Aqua watercolor brush. You can purchase these on Amazon. And these brushes are really good because they come in all different sizes and they hold the water inside. So you really don't need to have any jars of water on your desk. And I am just using some very simple back and forth brush strokes here, just trying to blend as I go and do a little bit of shadowing work as I go as well. I do actually have a tutorial on how I draw this element, so if you would like to see that tutorial, I'll put a link in this video somewhere here on the top. I also have other water tutorials, and I will provide a link to those tutorials and other videos on my channel at the end of this video. While we are here coloring Sailor Moon, please let me know down in the comments below who your favourite Sailor Moon character is. So I am just grabbing a Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor red just to do the bow here on her school uniform. And I am just doing circular motions with my brush to try and blend all the colours in. Let's grab that same little yellow that we used for the hair, and we're going to use it for the stars in the background. And I'm just using simple up and down strokes with the brush again. We're now going to grab a cobalt blue from the Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor set, as you can see here, and we're going to use this to colour in the collar of her school uniform. I've just grabbed my Gansai Tampi watercolor set, and I'm going to be using the gold shade here just to fill in her tiara and her locket. Now I'm using my Statler watercolor pencil in the skin tone just to do her skin areas, of course. And I will be using the same color to work on the different shadings, and to make it darker I will just use more of the pigment rather than the water, so use less water when you want a darker shade. And this is how I do skin colors at the moment. I will, however, be receiving a watercolor skin tone set very soon to try, so please subscribe to see that in a future video. I've now grabbed the silver shade from the Gansai Tumby watercolor set, and I am just using it to color the moon, again using a variety of simple back to forth brush strokes plus circular motions on the area of the moon that I am coloring. So right now I am just working on refining the final touches of my painting and just really concentrating on those shadows and just adding some finer details. I am now just doing a background with a cobalt blue on my Winsor Newton watercolor set. And I am just using a combination of back and forth strokes and circular motions to blend in the background. Have you hit the subscribe button yet? If not, you should, and do make sure to hit the bell notification button down below so you're notified of all my videos. I am currently working on a watercolor series playlist, and a link to that will be in the end of this video. So please don't go and check that out. I am also working on other art tutorials, and if you need any help with anything artistic, please do leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can help you out. I may even be able to make a video for you. Also, do remember to hit the like button down below so that I know that you like this content. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. There's also a watermark icon in this screen and in the bottom corner that you can also hit to subscribe. Please also hit the bell notification button to get all of my notifications on my videos. And please also check out the end screen at the end of this video, which will have a list of playlists, my watercolor playlist and my other playlists, and also my channel link for you to check out my channel page. Thank you, bye bye, and see you next time.